civil danger warning for Multnomah County. The following message is transmitted at the request of Multnomah County Emergency Management Agency. Dr. Kamikaze and Constantine, formerly last observed in the city of Portland, are now confirmed hostile and are actively engaging in violent actions. Intelligence indicates Dr. Kamikaze is armed with a high-intensity laser weapon capable of lethal force. Both individuals are considered extremely dangerous. Authorities advise that you immediately seek secure shelter in a locked building or concealed, reinforced interior space. Stay away from windows and exterior walls. Do not attempt to approach or confront these suspects under any circumstances. Remain indoors until an official all clear is issued. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Dr. Kamikaze or Constantine, or if you witness any suspicious activity, call 911 or the Multnomah County Emergency Hotline at 503-555-1212. Do not use cell phones or radios near active laser discharges, as transmissions may interfere with ongoing law enforcement operations. This warning remains in effect until further notice. Tune to local news outlets or official social media channels for continuous updates and evacuation instructions.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fulton County Sheriff Office and the Atlanta Police Department. An unusual situation is happening in the city of Atlanta. A male individual identifying himself as Bjorn Bjornsson, accompanied by a robotic partner known as Hornbut, has been observed walking in the vicinity of Peachtree Street and Marietta Street. Bjorn Bjornsson is described as a young boy with blonde hair, wearing a black suit, and is recognized as a principal villain from the animated series RobotBoy. Their presence has been linked to reports of erratic behavior and interference with public safety. Residents and motorists in Midtown Atlanta and surrounding neighborhoods are urged to remain vigilant and avoid approaching Bjorn Bjornsson or Hornbut. Secure all doors and windows, stay indoors if possible, and stay tuned to local radio and television broadcasts for updates. If you witness any suspicious activity or have information regarding the location or intentions of Bjorn Bjornsson and Hornbut, please contact the Fulton County Sheriff's Office or the Atlanta Police Department immediately. This message will be updated as more information becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Police Department. Witnesses have reported a pink female-appearing automaton, known as Robot Girl, moving erratically through the city streets. This individual is considered a person of interest in connection with ongoing investigations into unauthorized mechanical activity. The subject was last spotted at the intersection of Meeting Street and Calhoun Street. She's described as a high-tech android possessing advanced capabilities, including flight and superhuman strength. Do not attempt to approach, confront, or engage this entity under any circumstances. The robot's behavior is unpredictable, and she should be considered potentially volatile and dangerous. If you observe the subject, please keep a safe distance and immediately contact the Charleston Police Department at 911 or your local emergency services. Provide the operator with the exact location, direction of travel, and a description of any activity. Your cooperation is vital to public safety. Remain indoors if possible and avoid the immediate vicinity of the intersection of Meeting Street and Calhoun Street until further notice. This is a developing situation. Updates will be provided as they become available from the Charleston Police Department.